Tributaries, distributaries, a great confusion. Bhabar terai bhangar khadar. Oh my God. Hey, this is Kasturi and you are watching SST Buzz. You have rightly guessed. Today we are going to plan about the Northern Plain. So let's start. चलो हम पहले Northern Plain के कुछ basic concepts हम जान लेते हैं. So formed by three river system. So they are Indus, now Ganga and Brahmaputra. Okay, so now because of this three river system, the whole Northern Plain we are going to divide into three sections. What are they? First one, Punjab Plain, and the second one, Ganga Plain, and third one, Brahmaputra Plain. Now you can find Punjab Plain in the western part of India, Brahmaputra Plain in the eastern part of India. It lies in Assam, and Ganga Plain in middle part of that Northern Plain. Okay, now we will get about its area, that is 7 lakh square kilometer. Okay, and we know though that this three river system is there, so definitely huge amount of silt would be deposition would be there. So that's why very fertile soil, and that is known as alluvial soil. Different kinds of crops we can cultivate, especially rice, wheat, sugarcane. Okay, now types of population, definitely. So river systems, because of that three river system, densely populated. Now question comes from here, what are the reasons that because of that Northern Plain is densely populated? So first reason is there, moderate climate, and second is there, definitely water availability would be there, adequate water, and third point is there, alluvial soil, so fertile soil. So due to this reason, Northern Plain is highly populated. Okay, so these are the all about basic concept of Northern Plain. Let's start with relief features of Ganga Plain. तो फिर गंगा प्लेन पहले एक ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा. चलो जल्द से हम बना लेते हैं. यस, डन. Okay, so now here that Ganga Plain we are going to divide into 4 division. So first one, we are going to write here, that is Bhabar, and that belt is very narrow belt, and you can find out the presence of pebbles. So narrow belt and the presence of pebbles. Okay, clear? I am putting over there all this, so it would be easier to find out. And that which belt? Shivalik. We know already the southernmost part of Himalaya, तो शिवालिक रीजन में भाबर दिखेगा. Now next division is there, that is Terai. Terai actually you can find out very low land, here marshy land actually. So because of water logging, क्योंकि this region is foot hill of Himalaya. Okay, so that's why Terai बहुत ही swampy है, and you can find out dense forest. Okay, now we will go for the third division, that is known as Bhangar. Okay, Bhangar देखो, the third division of Ganga plain. Bhangar का speciality क्या है? First one, old alluvium. Old alluvium is the special features of Bhangar. Here again one more features is there, so you can find out Kankar, little smaller than pebbles, तो actually it is known as calcareous. So Kankar, इसे Kankar कहते हैं. तो the presence of Kankar, presence of Kankar. Okay, that is Bhangar. Now last one, that is, bolo bolo, yes, खादर. खादर की स्पेशलिटी क्या है कि वेरी फाइन पार्टिकल यू कैन फाइंड आउट, एंड दैट एलुवियम इज वेरी न्यू ईयर एंड यंगर. क्यों? क्योंकि एवरी ईयर जैसे ही ज़्यादा बारिश हो जाता है वैसे ही वो सबमर्ज हो जाता है वो एरिया, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट एवरी ईयर दे यूज टू गेट very new alluvium. So that's why this region is very much fertile. So here we can, that is flood plain. Done. So now बात और क्या है कि हमेशा that confusion actually creates, कभी कभी स्टूडेंट्स एग्जाम्स के टाइम वो सोचने में मीन्स सोच लेते हैं कि कौन सा आगे होंगे, भंगार या खादर. क्यों? क्योंकि मैक्सिमम टाइम इट इज़ आस्क्ड कि डिफ्रेंशिएट बिटवीन भंगार एंड खादर. तो फिर भंगार के जो स्पेशलिटी है वो खादर में चले जाते हैं, खादर का भंगार में आ जाता है. तो सच काइंड ऑफ मिस्टेक नेवर विल बी इफ वी आर टेकिंग वन प्रिकॉशन. वो प्रिकॉशन क्या है कि देखो बी, this is B and this is K. तो ये भंगार एंड खादर, B comes first, alphabetically it comes first. So भंगार पहले, खादर बाद में. सिर्फ इतना याद रखो, so that would be easier to you. कभी गलत नहीं होंगे, ठीक है. So now definitely this is भंगार not so fertile, खादर very fertile. So here हम लिख देते हैं very fertile. Very fertile soil, and Bhangar that comes first and Khadar that comes later on. Now next one, it is known as flood plain also. ठीक है, but और एक स्पेशलिटी है भंगार के, जो क्या है ना, द होल गंगा प्लेन वी कैन फाइंड आउट मैक्सिमम द लार्जेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ गंगा प्लेन, दैट इज भंगार. ओके, so this is all about this relief features of Ganga plain. I guess, I hope it is very clear to you. Let's start with tributaries and distributaries. First we need a diagram that will help you to get idea very clearly. Okay, so here just follow the arrow. Okay, now we are going to, these are the 1, 2, 3, these are the small stream, and small stream joining with main stream, so these are known as tributary. ट्रिब्यूटरीज, तो ये रहा ट्रिब्यूटरीज. फाइन. Now we will go for this is also small stream, but difference क्या है? This small stream branches off and flow away from the main stream, so that is known as distributaries. Fine. Now for better understanding we are going to take example of Ganga. Suppose this is Ganga basin and these are the tributary. Ganga का tributary तीनों हम ले लेते हैं, सोन, गंडक, यमुना. These three are the tributaries and they mix with the mainstream, and then again in the lower course of the river they get divided into two. So one is Padma for Bangladesh and for West Bengal Bhagirathi. ठीक है, तो अभी यही एग्जाम्पल हम हमारी डेली लाइफ में लिख करते हैं. जैसा कि देखो तुम तीनों फ्रेंड हो और फिर दिस इज द मेन स्ट्रीम इज लाइक योर एजुकेशनल टाइम पीरियड, फिर एक साथ सारे क्लास किया, ये किया, फिर बाद में अपना प्रोफेशनल लाइफ है फिर अलग हो गए. सो दैट इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटरी. है ना इजी? Thank you so much for watching. I would like to share with you one thing, that within few days you have shown very active participation. You have given your active support to me. After all, you all are my motivation. So thank you so much once again. Tata, bye bye.